Every dentist at some point feels like quitting. Yes, even the most confident ones. Even the ones who look successful on Instagram. Even the ones who smile through their masks every single day. If you've ever sat in your clinic, staring at the door, wondering if you chose the right profession, you're not alone. And today's video is the truth you need to hear. Dentistry is beautiful, but let's be honest, it's also brutally demanding. You hold a micromotor all day, but inside, your mind is rotating even faster. You care for patients, but sometimes forget to care for yourself. And somewhere between EMIs, lab bills, difficult cases, patient expectations, rising competition, you feel like giving up. A study in the UK reported that over 44% of dentists experience burnout symptoms. And globally, dentistry is ranked among the top 10 most stressful professions. So if you feel exhausted, it's not because you're weak, it's because you're human. You know what's crazy? Dentists carry a pressure that patients never see. Every single margin has to be perfect. Every single angulation has to be precise. Every single patient expects painless miracles, even when they walked in at stage 4 periodontal disaster. You do your best and still get told, Doctor, can you reduce the price? You save a tooth that had no hope and still hear, Doctor, is this really necessary? This profession demands skill, patience, empathy, and perfection, all at the same time. No wonder your mind gets tired. There comes a moment, usually at 9 pm, when the last patient leaves, or at 3 pm when the clinic is empty, or after a complicated case that kept you awake all night. A moment where you whisper to yourself, maybe dentistry isn't for me. Those 10 to 15 seconds of doubt are the most dangerous and the most normal. Here's a truth no one told you in dental college. You are better than you think. Seriously. You see mistakes, but patients see care. You see that small error no one can notice, but patients see comfort and trust. You see competition, but patients see their doctor. Dentistry isn't about being perfect, it's about being present, being honest, and being committed to growing a little every day. Some months are full, some months are painfully empty. Some cases feel easy, some cases shake your confidence. Some patients make your day, some ruin it. But that's how mastery is built, through uneven progress. Every dentist you admire today once had days when not a single patient walked in. They doubted themselves, they questioned their skills, they even thought about quitting. But they stayed, and that's why they grew. When the feeling hits you again, and it will, do these 3 things. Step back, don't step away. Take a day off. Reset your mind, not your profession. Remember your why. Think of that one patient whose life you changed, that one smile you restored, that one person who said, Doctor, thank you, I can eat properly after years. Talk to another dentist. We all carry the same battles, but we heal faster when we talk. You're not in this profession by accident. You're here because someone, somewhere, needs exactly your hands, your mind, your patience, and your skill. Dentistry is not easy, but neither are the people who survive it. You didn't come this far to quit. You came this far to grow. And trust me, your best days as a dentist are still ahead of you. If you needed this reminder today, I'm glad you're still here. If this video helped even a little, hit subscribe. You're not alone in this journey. Thank you.